just played our final game. Sadly, we lost, and it's time to go home. Thank you, Mobis. I miss y'all.
Why you just sigh? Why'd you just sigh?
You good, dude. It's your birthday, Daddy.
That is your birthday. You have to grab some meat too. Damn it, bro.
Have fun out there. But still keep in contact with the thing. Don't be a stranger, he said. Make you remember when he told you to shoot? They shoot every time and you'll get the rebound first.
Thank you, Chris. I don't know if you guys want Meek talks a lot. He was a little quiet at first last year. I had to get it out of him though.
Will you buzz down the road or you keep driving the road? Yeah, it's got to be playing. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, Good job this season too, man.
After you left, you go punch in the eye. You stayed. He might get
Oh yeah, you're right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck, Mick.
Thank you.
Come on, we'll grab that bell.
Thank you, Sniper.
I'm missing.
Thank you, Danny.
See you next week.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, see you.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
See you next time.
What? No, military.
What?
My guy, Andy. Hey, yes, stay safe.
Thank you, Joe.
And a Cuban link chain.
Oh yeah. Tim, socks, chain, and do-rag.
Nice little grip.
So, just finished. We had dinner. We had team dinner. And yeah, it's our last game of the season. Unfortunately, we lost. And for us imports, it's time to go home. Right now, I'm at the hotel, packing up my things and getting ready to go back to our apartment in Yongin. Hopefully, I'm gonna record everything leading up to the flight going home. I hope you join me, guys, in my last moments in Korea. For now, we'll never know when I'll come back here. So yeah, I'll pack my things and I'll see you in the apartment, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So we're back sa atong apartment. Currently it's like 4 a.m. At this point, we're just waiting sa among flight details, and then we're going home. So, but right now, it's time to sleep. Very tired. And yeah, good night. So hello guys. Right now I'm in the facility. I'm gonna get a workout in before I go home to Philippines. So yeah, I'm gonna have one for the road. Of course, do some weights and shoot a little bit, for the last time this season. Free throw. 3 dribbles. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath. Sir. Yes, sir. Corner. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Bang! Money. Money. Yeah. Money. First try. Alright guys, we're finished, we're done. I'm gonna miss this place. I've experienced a lot here, good and bad times, but it helped me grow as a person, and that's the most important thing. I've formed a lot of relationships here, a lot of friends. It's just nice to be here alone right now and just have the place all by myself. But now it's time to go. Thankfully our translator is here. Pio is here, so he could take us back with a van. This is funny. Do you guys want some, POV vlogs? Let me know in the comments section below. Alright, let's go. So what's up guys? I'm gonna get some Korean barbecue. Yeah, I want to get Korean barbecue before I go back to the Philippines. So let's go. So for my dinner tonight, I ordered. They said it's like 600 grams worth of beef. So it might. Thank you. So it might be a lot. But let's see. I'm confident ko doon na maurot na ko, so it's gonna be a good one. They gave us a free, it's like soybean stew. I think there's like doenjang jjigae. This is my favorite like soup or stew here in Korea. It's really good. Beef. This is like a radish and some sauce. It's gonna be good. This one's really good. We got two more plates. This is how I eat beef. I do like a sandwich. Very nice. The guys gave me a free Coke Zero. They're really nice. So if you get the chance, you go here. I think this is in Suwon. I forgot the name, but I'll tell it to you guys later, so you can go here. Amigayo. Here's the last round. I think it's called shrimp meat, but it's not shrimp. It's like a the ribeye cap. like, cause there's a ribeye, then there's a cap over it. Mo na siya na part. So, ano sila lamig daw, so try na to. Looks good. The ribeye cap is by far the best. Umo kayo siya. Tapos kanang meaty flavor. Humok siya, pero di siya puro tawa ba. Pero grabe ang lasa. Kanya ang favorite. Sugay ko. Yan yung nakaon. Good food. Thank you, Lord. This is my friend. What is your name?
Kijun-soy.
Okay. He's a very nice guy. Very nice guy. Alright, time to go. So I'm home now. Now it's time to finalize and pack my things because I'm going home not tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the apartment, arrange my luggage. I'm gonna say goodbye to this place. So yep, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow sa airport or on the way sa airport. Yeah. Hi guys. Now it's time to go. Akong flight is I think 7 something, 7:50. So that's the things that I'll bring with me. So time to say goodbye to this place after more than a year of me being here. It's been good. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport.
Take care. Contact me too. UPS changes. Yes, sir.
Always.
See you when I see you.
Yep.
Drive back safe, Theo.
Yes, sir.
Now it's the airport. Time to check in and yeah, check in our baggage. Thank you very much. Thank you. So matag check in. Also unta not so long ang pila sa immigration. Cause last time taas kayo. Hopefully right now not so much. So karon na ito sa lounge. Dagan kay tao kay it turns out ay long weekend ang Korea, like 7 days daw. So I think most people, I think they're gonna travel somewhere, to spend their holiday. Anyway, I got some food. This is what I got. I got some gamayng chicken, egg sandwich, bread na may peanut butter and jam and some apple juice. Yeah, napakoy almost 2 hours before my flight, so I'll tambay here muna and kill some time. So it's our boarding time na, and it's time for me to go sa among gate. So yeah, I better start walking.
Thank you.
So currently I'm just waiting for the food. Pretty hungry, even though I ate at lounge. I got some apple juice too.
Would you like some wine?
Yes, please.
Do you have red wine or white wine?
I have white wine. Thank you. I have this one, please. Thank you. And he gave us a salad, I think, with some salmon. I had some beef tenderloin and some, I guess this is mashed potatoes. It looks good. Got pineapple, watermelon, and I don't know what's the left one. I might just try it, so yeah, let's see. So I've just arrived here sa airport sa Philippines. I'm finally home. So yeah, I guess this is where I end the vlog for now. If you're a Korean and you're watching this vlog, I'd like to thank you for supporting me, even though I'm not Korean. Hopefully someday, when everything lines up well, I could come back to your beautiful country. I have great experiences there, and I would like to build more good memories there. So yeah, hopefully one day I could go back in Korea. But for now, yeah, I need to go home. So I guess this is the end of our vlog. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and salamat sa pagtanaw, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.